Hello everyone, it's your girl Allie and I'm back again today with another video. So today I'm going to basically piggyback from the video from yesterday, which was Tuesday. So I actually did these acrylic nails with dual form, you guys, and tips. So I just wanted to basically go back in and kind of explain everything, because I looked through the video and I saw it and I said, you know what, I didn't go through the details and actually go in and I showed you guys how I actually did it. I actually put the acrylic within the dual forms. So I just wanted to actually go back and actually give y'all a clear view and an up close view to how it actually looked, how I done it, and I will be doing it on a mannequin hand. Okay, so these are how the nails came out on both hands, and I'm telling you, I am loving it, you guys. Loving it, loving it, loving it. When I say loving it, I am loving it. So as you can see, everything came out nice and even, and you guys, I did not think that the nails would come out this good. I didn't even have to file the nails, okay? It came out really good, and it actually had the nice shine that it had and so forth. It came out really, really good. I'm telling you guys, it did. Okay? So what I'm going to get ready to do is dive into the video, you guys. And if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And hit that bell notification so you can be able to see all the videos that I will be uploading very soon. Okay, so right down here on your right hand side, it will be the subscribe button, which is in red. You just tap that and it will be the first bell notification, which will also show you every time I upload a video, and you will be able to see it, and you'll be see every upload and every video. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to tell me how you like the video and so forth. Don't forget to drop a comment down below, and don't forget to share this video, you guys, so I can continue to show you guys all of the good inside secrets and things that I actually do that can help each and every one of you. And welcome back to the people who are a part of my page and the family of Allie Beauty, outside inside beauty. And welcome to all of my new subscribers and all of my new people that is visiting my page for the first time. If you don't know nothing about my page is about beauty, and it's about your hair, your nails, and so forth. Okay, so I basically show you makeup, wigs, and all that. Okay, so now I'm going to dive into the video, you guys, and let's get started. All right. Okay, you guys, so here is the mannequin hand. I'm going to go ahead and file the nails so that they can be in the shape that I want it to be. So this is what I'm going to do right now. Alright, so now I'm going to take out the dual forms. As you can see, it's on your right hand side in the corner of how it looks. I put a little picture there, and I'm just basically going to take out each one and see which one actually goes with each finger for the mannequin hand. So you want to do that so you can be able to make sure you get the right size to go with each finger before you actually apply anything. So you want to make sure it actually fit your finger. So that's pretty much what I did. Of course, the main steps that you would normally do with your hands versus mannequin hand is to actually clean it up real good, of course, file, shape it however you want to shape it, and you got to make sure that you actually use a dehydrator and as well use a primer, and then go forth to adding whatever you want to add to it, which is, it could be a tip, or you could just apply it straight to your nail bed. So right now I'm on the thumb and I'm almost done measuring everything. And then I'm gonna get started to show you guys how I actually do it. So here's the monomer. Okay. Alright, you guys. So I'm showing you that I have the nail tip. Okay. And I'm using clear acrylic. And the clear acrylic is clear powder. It's from Super Nails. I got it from Sally's. I think I paid like what, $17.99 for it at Sally's. It's comes in a nice size bottle. I will actually put a picture up on the right hand corner of the video, so just you'll see it pop up in just a few minutes. Okay, so now as you can see, the pinky is nice and smooth. Sorry you guys, I have to adjust the phone. That kind of fell down a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next finger. Okay, so I'm just taking the acrylic and actually put it into the dual form, cleaning the brush as I go. You want to definitely clean your brush as you go so that the acrylic does not get stuck to the acrylic brush. And you just want to smooth out the acrylic in the dual form. Okay, place it on there and clean the sides. And technically that's what I'm doing, cleaning the sides. So I was basically cleaning the sides up a little bit here and there, wherever I seen it needed to be cleaned. And now I'm getting ready to do the next dual form, and I'm going to add acrylic within that one as well. So as you can see, I'm just smoothing it out. Now I'm going to place it on and just press it just a little bit, gentle. Okay, now moving on to the next nail. Getting a little bit more acrylic and then add it on to there. And smooth it out to the actual shape. Okay, now I'm going to place that on the finger. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to do the thumb as well. Put the thumb down already. And I'm just showing you guys as I take off the dual form. The acrylic actually dried and it looks shiny. And you really don't even have to put any polish on it at all. So now I'm going to shape it up and show you guys how it look after I shape it up. It ain't the best shaping it, but I'm just shaping it up. My purpose of actually showing you guys how it actually look and the definition of it once you use the acrylic within a dual form to show you how it appears once it's dry and how it actually worked with the dual form. It looked like you done went through the whole process of applying it and shaping it and making it smooth. In this case, the dual form does the hard work of smoothing it out, and all you got to do is just basically shape up your size and shape it into your desired shape that you like. Okay, you guys, so this is at the end of the video, you guys, and thank you so much for watching this video, and y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see each and every one of y'all next week, Tuesday and Wednesday. And don't forget to subscribe, you guys, so you can be able to see all of the videos that will be posting and uploading next week. All right, you guys. Bye, all my alley beauties. And bye to all of my newcomers and my new viewers.